So hello and welcome back, fellow coin collectors, and in today's video we're looking at some coins that I've recently purchased, and some of them are actually very good buys. Actually all of them are. So these are, I'll class a lot of them low mint coins. I think the high mint coins will be Cape Verde coins. So I've only got 2 of those, but and the French coins as well. So the French coins do have a mintage figures. So in the background, I have information about the actual coins. So my 2 favorite coins that I got is these 2 Haitian coins. So this is a 6.25 cents. So that is a quarter of a 25-cent coin, in which Haiti uses the main denomination. So 1 gourde equals 100 centimeters. So this is a 6.5 cents. So this is 0.0625 of a gourde. And pretty much, they didn't actually have a quarter of a cent coin. They had 1 and 2 cent coins at the time, and also 5 cent coins. And they also had 6 cent coins. And at the time, Haiti, their coinage lasted quite a long time. So this has the coat of arms of the time period, and liberty, independence. And here we have Faustin the First, Emperor of Haiti, 1850. Obviously, it didn't last that long. So I purchased this one for $65, and I reckon that the actual value of the actual coin is roughly about $120. And the next coin I have is a small Haitian 12-cent coin. So this is a silver coin, as you can see. So it has Pétion President, so that's the president. It has Anno, okay, if I can get a pen, Anno 14, so that's 1817. And a bit of history. Haiti gained independence in 1802. And this is the part of the republic they call Western Haiti. So on the other side we have the coat of arms of Haiti. So if I can put it on the tip of my finger. So we have the coat. So we've got Republique de Haiti. Then we have 12 down here, so 12 cents. And here's the coat of arms. So we've got 2 cannons and a Phrygian cap on a palm tree. This one I got for, I think, $35, and it's probably worth about $100. So that's a good buy, and I don't mind it. But am I going to resell these? Yeah, I actually like to collect coins from Haiti, so probably not really. I said all these are low mint coins, but these 2 French coins are actually quite high mint. So we've got a 5 cents and we've got a 10 cents or 1 dime. So pretty much took after the United States there. And okay, so Land 8 is $18.99, and the BB mint is Strasbourg, and this one is AA mint, which is Metz. And if we look at the mintage figures, so the mintage for the 5 cent is 20 million, bit over, and the 10 cent is only 1,793,000. So this is the lowest mint. So the values for these 2 coins would be, because this one's in better condition than that, probably about $40 to $50 each. So, but this one's in lower grade. I'd say it's probably fine. This one's very fine. So condition does improve the resale value. If you look on the other side, we have, I think it's a Liberty, and we have Republic franchise. What I like is the actual rim. You can see this one has vertical lines. This one has like a diagonal pattern. So that's why I like to collect these coins. And that's to stop people from shaving off these coins. Even though they're not silver or gold, people would still shave them off to save the actual copper. Because, copper was not as easy to actually smelt back then as it is now with modern minting techniques. Okay, then we have smaller coins. So here we have a coin of Portuguese Guinea, which is now Guinea-Bissau. This coin I got for $20. It has a mintage of 100,000, and I seldom see them being sold. So that's a 20 cent. So that one goes to my collection. This is why I probably have trouble becoming a coin seller or buyer, because I just keep collecting everything. And here we have a Saint Thomas et Principe, 1862, and that's also 20 cent. This one has a mintage of 250,000, probably worth about $15 in this condition. And it looks like it has lamination flaw on the A of the actual coin. And then we have the last two coins from Cape Verde. So here we have a 2.5 escudo. Here we have a 50 centavos. And the mintage for these is quite higher. Okay, for the 50 cent, it is 1 million. So in this condition, it's uncirculated, probably about $10. The 2.5 has a mintage of 400,000. In this condition, I would say it's probably EF. Yeah, probably EF. Except pity about that. So probably about $10 for that coin. These are not too hard to get in uncirculated grade, because I don't think a lot of them actually were issued. Cape Verde's population is quite small, and the mintage of these Cape Verde coins is actually quite high. So I wouldn't be surprised if they actually used them in Guinea and Sao Tome, because those mintages for those countries are actually quite small. And also Cape Verde continued to use the escudo as they do now, which Sao Tome went on to issue their own country, the Dobre, and Guinea-Bissau changed to the peso, and in about 94 they actually adopted the West African franc. So these are pretty good pickups from my perspective. Let me know if you've found any good coins, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.